Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Right, everyone, it's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? Getting ready for the weekend. What we have here is a cardboard self-framed Budweiser ad that you would have hung on a wall. Self-framing, for those of you who are not familiar, you see how it pops out there and makes its own frame, so it's three-dimensional. It's depicting the attack from the Indians on the Overland Stagecoach in the 1960s. Interesting content, but this is what they used to do back in the day. Would commission artists that would do a full-on illustration like this and then turn around and make it into the ad. So if you're into Budweiser, vintage ad, Western scenes, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.